and we are off for a second edition Fiveray light. It's the Fiveray 40 watts second edition, made by ZHIYUN. I'm your host Mauro, let's get straight into it. And yes, you will be finding the first edition Fiveray light review in the link in the description, and the link will be popping up right now on the left corner of the screen. I have got the combo edition, so let's get straight inside on what you get with this combo setup. In the box you will get the light, the 1/4 hot shoe mount, soft diffuser, hard-shelled plastic diffuser, USB-C cable, and an instruction manual. Using this light is really simple. You get two knobs, one for the power and one for the Kelvin value. So once you power it up on the full scale, it will be pretty bright. And then you can cool it off to 8500 kelvins or warm it down to 2700 kelvins. And then you can make your whole back scene hotter. Or if you want to cool it down, well, let's try again and check how that looks. Well, for sure this light is extremely powerful. The charging is simple and easy with PD 18 watt fast charging. It has a built-in high-performance 8650 battery, providing up to 180 minutes of power when using it at 25%. If you use it at full max power 100%, it will provide 44 minutes of full power. And yes, it supports continuous usage while charging, eliminating power anxiety. It features a self-developed electronic back pressure cooling system, maintaining low temperatures and stable performance even during prolonged high brightness operation. On the bottom there are 1/4 screw thread ports and vents for the active cooling all around, so your light stays cool. So what would I use this light mostly for? Well, as you know, I film a lot of reels and shorts, and I'm using to go around with my camera and filming myself all around the studio. Well, this is the perfect light because it acts as my main key light in front of me, even if I wander around. So let's get straight to that. Or we can have a better vlogging solution all around my studio because I don't have to think about my light. My light is in front of me and perfectly exposing in my studio even if I go and wander around for my YouTube reels. And let's check it again. Well, turned off looks like that, turned on looks like that, and cooling and getting that pretty great 5400 kelvins or 600 kelvins daylight situation. So what do you think? Can I use it as a vlog light? Well, for sure I can. Let's go back to my main stage. But being so versatile and powerful, this light can be used also as my main second hair light. Well, the hair light just left of the stage, but I am using it as a backlight with my backlight bald hair, so I get a little more shinier and background separation back of my head with this light. So let's turn this light on and off and check how it looks. And now I'm using the backlight, so I get much more shinier parts of my head with that backlight. Well, you can hide it off, so it will be a better experience overall. So let's try to hide it. Okay, so now it's hidden with a small glare on that side. When the back hair get a lot more exposed, well, the hair left a lot of years ago my head, now we have a bald head to work on. Well, what do you think? Another usage could be using it as a practical light behind me to enhance my complete studio and overall feel on my background. And now there you have it, a practical light acting as a bulb light. Well, my actual bulb light inside of that lamp got out, so this is a replacement, but it looks pretty nice and I can tune in the Kelvin value as I like it. Or I can just brighten up my complete background with a brighter scene overall. With the Fiveray 40, it's easy and simple. But I can also use my smartphone for my YouTube reels and all my favorite fast stuff that I post online. I can get and lit myself pretty well and get a perfect exposure for more all around my studio without any problems. So this little practical light can be used in various moments of your production. With 40 watts output, it gets pretty bright. The cooling fan stays quiet even at high max brightness operation. Do I recommend it? Yes. Every one of us needs a small, compact, bright, big color light. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, I will be happy to answer all them. Till my next one, thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bell icon to get notified every time I make a new video, and see you on my next one.